here today with Leon Bala Bailey. A great game today, coming back to the stadium after a bit of an absence due to injury. How does it feel to be back in National Stadium?
Feels great to be back. It's always nice to be back in your country, and today was really a nice day to be able to come out and be there for the team. And fortunately, yeah, 1-1 today, but I think we did ourselves proud today, and we really look positive and excited out there.
Alright, Leon Bailey, in my opinion today you look very comfortable and you look like a leader on the field. Is that something that you are making an effort to do, be more vocal and more of a leader on the field?
Most definitely so. I believe that I have a role, and there's a lot of things that's been changing in the system, which is good and positive, and I feel like it was very much needed, and there's a lot of ego in the team, and I think that's gone down. And for me, as a professional and a top athlete, and being where I am, I feel like it's my job, and yeah, my job to help the players and be a leader for the team, even though I'm not the captain. And I believe that I have a lot of experience, and as you can see today, I think that this was a game that everybody really enjoyed, and it was nice for the fans to see, even though we didn't take the opportunities that we had, but it starts somewhere, and I believe that this is the right direction. And you can see we played good football. We didn't look like just a team that wanted to kick along. We were playing football, and this is what we're about now, and this is what we want to do going forward in the future.
And last question, talk to us about your free role, because I saw you playing in like a free role today. I saw you coming in the midfield, taking control of the ball, going out wide, showing off your skill. Talk to us how you feel about that new on the roll pitch or on the pitch role.
I feel good, as I say. Everybody know I'm a top player when it comes to football, and once I feel free and I'm able to do what I want to do, that's when the best will come out. And once I have the support from the coach, my players, and they understand that I am doing this to help the team.
Big ball, Bailey.
Shot, man. Yeah. So they understand that I'm just trying to be there for the team in every aspect possible. You get me? So I feel good.